Welcome friends, welcome to English Absorbed. Today we are going to watch a scene from Emily in Paris. Oh, I love that show. We're going to look at the grammar and the vocabulary. Now the way this video works is that we'll watch the full scene together, but I'll stop it and I'll explain some of the grammar and vocabulary. Now remember to pay attention because at the end of the video, there's going to be a quiz. So what are you waiting for? Let's jump in.
So they're drinking, but not talking about it?
No, they're not drinking, but they won't shut up about it.
Sounds like they need a drink.
Sobriety may be popular in America, but it's the antithesis of French culture. Mama used to put brandy in my baby bottle.
That explains a lot.
That explains a lot. This is a fun thing to say when something gets clarified or made a little bit more clear. For example, if your friend is really tired and they say, "Oh, I was up all night watching Netflix," then you can say, well, that explains a lot. It's a light-hearted way to say, now I understand why things are the way they are. That explains a lot.
Okay, that explains a lot.
Well, that explains a lot.
That explains a lot.
Because that explains a lot. Because that in there.
Dry January was banned from France by order of President Macron.
Oh, here's a great example of the passive voice. Was banned. So in an active sentence, the subject does the action. For instance, Macron banned dry January. But in the passive voice, the focus shifts to the action. So dry January was banned. And you can just leave it there. Dry January was banned, right? That's the passive voice in the past simple. Meaning that French people love drinking so much that the president of France banned dry January. He said, no more dry January. Dry January is where people stop drinking. And the president said, no, you have to continue drinking. I'm going to ban dry January. Dry January was banned by Macron.
Now, this one was banned in Boston, okay?
There's a loophole. I was banned from men's singles, but not pairs.
This was banned for 60 years.
Paul Crewe, serving a 3-year sentence, hasn't played since he was banned from the NFL 6 years ago.
I just Google it.
Thank you, Emily, but
Now, you might know this, but just in case, Google is so popular that it's become a verb. And people say, just Google it. They don't say search for it online. They'll say, just Google it. It's the imperative. Just Google it.
You can Google it, it's worth a Google.
All right, well, we can Google it.
I don't know. Google it. I'll just Google it.
Suggest you Google it, Mr. Chairman.
No, because you're going to Google it and then read about it, and I'm just going to...
I just Google it.
Non-alcoholic drinks aren't just for sober people. They're also for pregnant women. Oops. Désolé. It's fine, really.
No, félicitations, Camille.
We already knew. Emily told us.
Oh, okay. I think we're done here.
We're done here. This one is a great way to wrap up, to finish a conversation. It can sound a little bit rude because it means the activity or the conversation is finished and there's nothing else to talk about. We're done here. And if you want to make it a little bit more polite, you can say, do you think we're done here?
Okay, I think we're done here. Let's go.
Well, thank you very much, Captain, but I think we're done here.
I think we're done here. I think we're done here.
Will?
No, he needs rest. I think we're done here.
I'm so sorry.
Okay, I hope that you've been paying attention because it is quiz time. I'm going to quiz you on the content of the video and see if you get it right. When do you say we're done here? Is it A, when you're finished with something, B, when you want to keep talking, or C, when you want a drink? That's right, it's A, when you're finished with something. What do you say when something finally makes sense? A, that's weird. B, that explains a lot. Or C, oh, yeah, okay. That's right, it's B. That explains a lot. Drop your answers in the comments and let me know how you did. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment with which TV series you want me to look at next time.
I think we're done here.
Ciao for now.